Okay, we moved our show inside. We got our late 72 frame here, which is 73 frame, but real late 72 made. We're going to knock those cups out, beat them into this frame, and then start putting the bike back together. Inside here we got light. And better tools. Where's the big steel hammer? Is it somewhere? Okay, let's see if the doctor comes out. Washer's falling off.
I don't know where that came from, but it did come from somewhere. Probably leftover.
Vibrating.
Good.
Reinsertion time. So it's just a big piece of steel bar, sharp edge on this side for hitting the edge of the cup, and rounded edge over here for you don't damage cup. Where we at?
Get in there.
Sounds like it's in there. She's in.
You have the fork?
Yeah. That'll be interesting. Fork time. Alright. Get this out of the way. Where's all the bearings and cup washers and all that
Here's
stuff?
the top ones right here.
Okay, you
Bottom one's on there already.
got the top nut someplace.
Yeah, it's someplace.
It's good. Someplace is always a good place.
Let's see that.
Probably in the bucket someplace. Okay, so let's get the cup up on here. Where's the washer? Shield.
Here it is.
Let's see, before we do this, let's get this up on the front end up here. I think it'd be easier.
We'll clamp it up in that. Is that what you think?
Yeah, I'm thinking that might be easier doing that. Pull back a little bit. Oh, right. Okay.
Let's see if there's the tension on it now.
Yeah, the weight of the front end. Okay, should pull off.
Okay.
Pull the top three. Okay, I got this part.
Yeah, watch out. These guys will fall all over the place. Okay.
Yeah, you got the frame.
Got it. Okay.
Let it flap. Okay, pull the fork up. Pull the fork up. It's the bottom.
Yeah.
Straight. Yep, there you go. Alright. Take over the frame. Okay, grab the lip. Sit on the rack where your foot is.
That looks good.
Right there. Kick the frame all the way to the left. Kick it right. That works good. Okay, move it forward to the front here.
Okay.
start cranking. The ratchet's right behind you. Going up until you see the front end go up.
Forward.
I think we're on there.
So we win.
I think we're good. Push the bearing all the way down. Feel like it's all the way in there?
Yeah, it's like. Feels more like it now then.
Okay. Hold the tree. Hooked on the front end somehow. I have no idea where we're hooked.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
You're strapped in, that's why you're hooked.
Who did that?
Okay, push it down and just tighten them up. Going? Okay, get the center one going. Started?
Up here.
Okay. Golden. Run everything down. Get pressing it someplace. So there you go. You just put everything right back together how it came off.
We'll work on this. I'll get this down a little bit more. Oh, man.
Pull these down, that will automatically go down.
Yeah.
You guys won't be here for a little bit? I'm gonna run up the hill real quick.
Yeah, I'll be here for 2-3 hours at least. On the other side. This is where it was before, wasn't it?
Sorry?
This is where it was before.
Yeah.
Wasn't it? This one be part of that.
It doesn't matter, really. Yeah, somebody else's bike. Somebody who's, yeah.
As long as the tank is going, is all that matters.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take your lift back over here. Back in front. Over the back. Alright, don't tighten it. This side. Something moved, it loosened up all of a sudden. Fine. We're starting to tighten up now. Tighten up yours. Yours loosen up too. Yep. So we're just loosening up, getting all the nuts tightened down a little bit. Now we're supposed to be adjusting all this, but we're not.
Adjusting what?
Adjusting the torque on it? Yeah, just tighten the piss out of it, that'll work.
Just tell you to go another half turn.
That's good. Put a little tension on the center one. Did it loosen back up also? Yep. Okay. See if we have any drag on it. Hard to tell. Not more. Tighten some more. Loosen back up.
Not really. Try it again.
Definitely can't feel it moving, but getting it loose. Okay. Good enough.
Pinch bolt.
This one?
Yeah.
So just put the pinch bolt back on there and we should all be good to go. That's good, don't overdo it. These will break off when you torque them. It makes for a bad day. Alright, so any idea what bolts these were when you took them off?
Yeah, in that bucket of freaking hardware.
Let's see if we can find something to go into there. I'm going to see if the pivot bolt here will miraculously work in this frame. Here's to go in. Not sure about those threads though.
There's some in there, just not in the first part.
Yeah, they're in there all right. They just look like they're crap.
Look at it from the other side. It's got threads on the other side.
Looking at a few other threads while I'm at it. Yeah, I can tell there's threads on the other side. The only problem is they're on the other side. Let's see, is that 5/8? Doesn't look like it's 5/8. It might be. Looks more like 9/16 to me. Yep, that ain't the right one. That's for fixing drain plugs on Sportsters. Yeah, 5/8 is not there. Better to tap it out now than strip it out and cause more issues down the road. It's easy to force stuff. It's a little more effort to fix things correctly. Alright, that's probably this one down here, would be my guess. Light sucks here. Yeah, maybe. Hard to tell. It's hard to tell what that thing actually is. Certified something. See no markings. Nothing I can read anyway. Yeah, we'll just go see what fits in the frame. Obviously that's not the right one. It's hard to measure a three-way tap, so that's why you don't put it on a caliper. Alright, that came out of that pile. That says 9/16 on that top. I can read that one. So that makes this one over here the 5/8. Would be my guess. Lubricant. We're thinking that's the one. Guilty. Bingo.
Yep. Not too much, working over at Tatro's shop, when we tore the bike down, gotta put it back together
If
now.
you go from the good side to the bad side, it's a lot easier. Let's see, where's the wrenches that we need? That'll be the one. Now we're talking about the 72 frame. See, this is for a drum brake. This casting. It's casted in, that's not welded on. So that denotes what year this frame was made. Very late 72 and early 73. Definitely had some bad threads in there. Tap comes out the other side, you're good. Now for the real 72 frame, there'd be a bracket right here for a brake tee. So that's how we know it's not a 72 frame. There you go. There you go, went all the way in. So, we know that works. So that's what you want to see. Something that goes together easily. Alright, be back in a minute.